What's going on, YouTube? This is Law Talk with Tone, hitting you guys with another video. Today I'm going to be playing a video from Judge Simpson's courtroom. And Judge Simpson is like a renowned judge in the area of Michigan, Washington, Michigan. He mostly handles civil cases like landlord-tenant cases. And I just found this to be kind of entertaining, so I kind of wanted to share this with you guys. It's kind of funny, but it's kind of like it's just bad on us because of the mom. Basically, what it's about a rude mother who get kicked out of court with her son with her in court. She's just very disrespectful to the judge. No courtroom decorum at all. No respect for the judge. No respect for herself or for her kid because she's doing it in front of her kid. And what kind of example are we setting? But I'm gonna let y'all watch it, and y'all let me know what y'all think. I'll be pausing it along the way just to kind of give you an update or input on what I think as well. But let me go ahead and play it with you guys. And I want to say shout out to Law, Crime, and Punishment. I've been following them, watching their videos. They have some very good content, so go over there and subscribe to them as well if you haven't. And I'm gonna go ahead and play this video clip. Get ready to share it with you guys. Happy Friday to you guys, by the way. Thank God it's Friday. It's the weekend. Yeah, I just want to say a shout out to that. Give me 1 second. Here we go. All right, I'm about to start playing it for you folks. It's kind of entertaining, but it's kind of embarrassing as well too. So I ain't gonna hold you.
YPF 16 LLC versus Kiera Fleming.
That's the judge, Cedric Simpson. And this is the defendant.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. David Fanti on behalf of the plaintiff.
Your name?
Kiera Fleming.
All right. Where are we on this case?
Ms. Fleming has a balance of $4,298.39. She indicates that she mailed the rental assistance form to the court on Wednesday.
She mailed it on Wednesday?
Yeah, I didn't know. I couldn't really hear you, but I thought you said mail it in, so I mailed it in.
Well, it needs to
Proof
be at
that
the court by
I filled out an SIR with my tracking number and everything. I mean, an SER.
Just look how she over talking the judge. I'm gonna pause it. Look how she just interrupting the judge. And look at her body language. She got her hand on her hip. First of all, her son is supposed to be in a seat in court. And it's just her whole disposition is just like she don't care. But I'm gonna go ahead and continue.
I don't have it. So.
Well, I sent it in.
Your Honor, I'll leave it up to the court what the court wants to do. I don't think her balance is $4,298.39. She's been on rapid rehousing with SOS paying their portion. She's never made a payment to my client. And I reached out, and from what she has said, so I reached out to SOS to see if they were going to be able to help her with the balance. What she indicated to
Anyways,
me was,
can I talk?
Oh,
They're not going to be able to help. They're not going to be able to help with
Ma'am. Let him finish, and I will
He's
then hear
rude. I
from
don't
you.
like.
You want to know what?
Rude.
You don't try to overtalk me, because that will never happen.
That's fine.
Am I understood?
Yes.
You know what? I'm going to pass the matter. You go down, check your attitude, and then I'll call your case back up. Have a seat. Have a seat.
Man, you about to piss me off. Come on.
wow, hold on. Man, I had to pause it. Did she just say the judge about to piss her off? Let me wind this, bro.
Back up. Have a seat. Have a seat.
Man, you about to piss me off. Come on.
Hell no. You like audacity.
Keep back talking. You better take that out of here. Oh, don't give me that look. Lee, get her out of my courtroom. Get her out of my courtroom.
Damn.
Quarter past that matter. Court does call the case of YPF 16 LLC versus Nakia Turner.
Your Honor. Your Honor, I'll wait for it.
That just messes up my whole day. Everybody else is gonna have a hard time with me now. You know, I was in a good mood and then it's just gonna take one person. It just takes one person and just messed up my whole attitude. You know?
It's a circus or a courtroom?
Nakia Turner. Is David here? Hang on, Miss Lacy. Let me break in here. YPF 16 LLC versus Kiera Fleming.
She coming back, y'all. So just to pause it right there. Basically, this is a landlord-tenant case that she owes money. I think like $4,200 and something change, and she has not yet made a payment. So that's pretty much what they're trying to settle in court right now. Yeah, and I don't know why she continues to, be disrespectful and be rude and just, not even follow the courtroom rules. And she can just have her son sit down. Like, he's just gonna, Judge Simpson ain't that judge to play with, but let me go ahead and continue playing it.
Parties have returned. Mr. Terry, you were in the middle of your statement, sir.
Yes, her current balance is $4,123.39. Court costs of $175 for a total of $42.98.39.
Oh, 42.
She's been in rapid rehousing where SOS has been paying her portion and she's supposed to pay the rest. She has never made a payment. I reached out to SOS. They tried to reach out to her. And it's my understanding that the rapid rehousing ends at the end of July. So in August, she's gonna be responsible for the whole thing herself. She hasn't filed a rental assistance form. I don't think it's a tribal issue of fact. We would ask the court for a judgment.
All right, ma'am, what did you wish to say?
Anyways, like I was saying, SOS was
Wow.
paying my rent for 3 months without me having to pay anything. Like I told Miss Terry through SOS that I ended up losing my job. And I wasn't able to pay nothing at the moment. And I'm just now getting a job and I wasn't able to pay nothing until today. But yeah, and I sent in my SER through the mail. I didn't know I had to come and actually bring it in. I don't have a car. So anytime I go anywhere, I have to get on the bus with my children. So.
Pause it right here. Because I'm in Michigan as well. The SER, that's just pretty much state emergency relief. It's just pretty much going through your local state Department of Health and Human Services, pretty much asking for emergency assistance to help with like rent, or if your utilities is cut off, or if you're facing eviction and things like that. That's pretty much what she applied for when she keeps saying SER. Let me go ahead and get back playing it for you guys.
I don't know if you're able to, if they bring the mail to y'all, but I definitely sent the SER to this courtroom with the judge with your name on it, Cedric Simpson. But SOS doesn't stop. She said that I already filled the paperwork out yesterday when she came. They pay August, but after August, I won't be getting no more help from SOS. But I reached out to Hawk. They're able to help, and I did do an SCR with my caseworker, and I have an appointment with my caseworker on Monday for help, so I can get help with my rent. And I'm able to pay altogether $900 today, but that's all I can afford.
Well, if we get to August 1st, then August rent is going to kick in, which means you're not going to be.
No, August rent is paid by her, by SOS.
I'm going to let you finish because I'm not going to be interrupted again.
I'm sorry.
So what else did you want to say?
That's all I had to say. That's what I said. It was already paid. August month is already paid. That's why she came over yesterday and I filled out the paperwork. So August month to be paid. After August, September, I won't be getting no help after August, is what I'm telling you.
if SOS pays in August what they paid in July, it would be $650 on a $1,300 apartment, which would mean she'd be responsible for the other $650.
That's not true.
But even without, let's assume that for the sake of argument that SOS is going to pay the whole thing. She still has a $4,200 balance. And I don't think there's any way that's going to be paid. And she hasn't filed the form, even though, you know, the previous person heard you just fine last week when you said, we get it here within 5 days. It wasn't here within 5 days. We'd ask for a judgment today.
I did turn it in within 5 days. You said turn it in Wednesday, which I did turn it in Wednesday. And who is he to say that I won't have all of it paid? Like, you don't know that. I didn't know I can get as much help as I did until I reached out to all these companies. And I was unemployed for a while, which I just got a job. I just started working 3 weeks ago. So this is my first check. You have to wait 2 weeks in a hole to even get your first check.
Your Honor, I'm willing to extend the judgment, normally be the 28th. If we were to extend the judgment to August 4th.
There's no tribal issue for this court in regard to this case. I'll grant a judgment court possession with the redemption amount of the $4,298.39 with a writ to issue August 4th, 2025. Thank you.
Can you tell me exactly what does that mean? So I can have an
I
understanding.
just issued a judgment, the 429839 will need to be paid on or before August 4th of 2025.
Where she has to get out.
I've done it that way because if I grant an adjournment in this case, quite frankly, whatever the dispute is with the August grant would be added on to this figure, which I was trying to say earlier.
Yeah.
So it's a benefit that if you can find the funds to get this paid, you only have to pay this amount. Does not include anything for August.
Okay.
Right,
Well,
so you have to the 4th to get it paid.
yeah, but last thing I gotta say is that when I talked to my SOS worker, Ms. Terry, our agreement was for her to pay the full amount because she know I'm not gonna be able to pay the full amount. The money that I have now is going to be towards to the money I already owe. So August is already gonna be paid. Like the full amount is gonna be paid, so I won't have to worry about August.
Maybe you're not hearing me.
I'm
I
hearing
just
what you
issued
said.
The judgment, I'm not dealing with August.
I know that. I'm just letting you know for sure that's gonna be paid. That's all. But thank you. Have a nice one.
Wow. The audacity, though.
Nope, doesn't work.
Yeah, to pray on it.
Just don't understand the assignment.
Real Properties versus Jason Mitchell.
Wow, man. That was just so blatantly disrespectful. I'm gonna stop.
Your Honor.
Yeah, I just wanted to show y'all that, just to give y'all a little something different to show. Definitely need to check her attitude. She was walking in there like she owned the courtroom, like he inconvenienced her. And, you know, you're the one that's behind the rent asking for relief, but you're being rude to the person who's going to give it to you. I don't understand that. Make it make sense. But, yeah, I just wanted to share that with y'all. I'm probably going to be back with another few more funny judge moments. It'll probably be a few different other judges, but, yeah, I'm going to be posting to like 2 to 3 more today with you. So talk to you later. See you later on.